Hey there! Today, we're diving into how to use the Live View function on your Nikon D7100. Ensure your Nikon D7100 is turned on using the on-off switch. Locate the Live View button on the back of your camera, right next to the mode dial. Push this button to initiate Live View. The LCD screen will display what your camera sees in real time. Press the LV's lever. This allows you to toggle between still photography and video mode. Ensure it's set to the icon depicting a camera for photos or a video camera for recording videos, depending on your need. Half-press the shutter button to autofocus. For manual focus, switch the focus mode on your lens and adjust the focus manually using the lens ring. Flip the Live View lever back to its original position to turn off Live View and return to using the viewfinder. And there you go. You now know how to use the Live View function on your Nikon D7100.